guys, welcome to Sukriti All-in-One Creations. First time you are watching this video, please subscribe and click bell icon. In last video, we have discussed nutrition in plants. Today I am going to discuss about how do organisms are obtain food. The organisms have different types of digestive system in unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms means the organisms contain only single cell is known as a unicellular organisms. For example, nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba has a only single cell. Multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms means the organisms which have one or more than organisms contain the organism. Those organisms called multicellular organisms. For example, nutrition in human beings. Let's discuss about the nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is come under the holozoic nutrition. In this nutrition in amoeba, what are the process will goes down? Let's see. Steps are involved in the nutrition in amoeba. Those are ingestion, digestion, absorption, egestion. Let's learn one by one with the diagram. Amoeba does not have a definite shape. This is the amoeba and this is a food particle. Okay, this is a amoeba. First one, egestion. When the food particle come near to the amoeba, then it's produced or it forms a finger-like a structure because to enter the food particle into amoeba. This is known as a ingestion. Next one, digestion. When the food particles or food molecule enters into a amoeba, then the amoeba started to process or digest the food in the amoeba. This is known as a digestion. Absorption, which food are digest in amoeba. The absorption taken place by the cytoplasm into a diffusion. It is known as absorption. Then the food particle spreads over the or through the amoeba is known as the and the last step is egestion. Egestion means which are the food particles or undigested particles collect in the amoeba and suddenly the cytoplasm taken any place to throw out the food particles like this. This is known as our process of nutrition in amoeba. And second one is nutrition in human beings. We see the now sequences of a digestive system. Those are mouth, esophagus, diaphragm, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, liver, gallbladder, anus. Now we discuss about a one by one. First one is mouth. Mouth is an essential part of our digestive system and also it is a first step of our digestive system. In the mouth, tongue and teeth is more essential for digestive system. Tongue is a muscular sensory organ and teeth is also essential When we take inside the food, the teeth starts cutting the food into smaller pieces. This is known as a mouth process. Second one is esophagus. Esophagus is a very thin and muscular. It leads into a stomach, and it is also helps to process food into a stomach. Stomach, it is dilated in a J shape. The muscular walls of a stomach is helps to mixing food properly. This is known as a stomach. And second one is small intestine. Small intestine is very longest muscular in our alimentary canal or in a human digestive system. Fact of small intestine: the herbivorous animals have a very long small intestine, because the herbivorous are green plant eating animals. The green plants are grass like us. It is taken too much time to digest. So in herbivorous animals, small intestine is very length or long. In flesh eating animals, it is easy to digestible, because it is easy to digestible. So in the flesh eating animals, small intestine is very short. Let's go discuss about the large intestine. Large intestine is in a length in a diameter, so it is called a large intestine. We already know that large intestine is a undigested food. It throw out. This is known as a large intestine. Anus is a, we already know that this is the last part of our digestive system. Whatever the undigested food, it is thrown out from the anus. Here, gallbladder and pancreas means when the food in the stomach mixed properly, and that mixed properly passes into small intestine. On that time, gallbladder releases a bile juice and pancreas releases a pancreas juice. And after mixing in the food, bile juice and pancreas, afterwards the mixing of mixed food properly, that will go into a small intestine, digested properly. And in small intestine, figure like a structure villi were there, because these villi helps to energy or nutrition or vitamins. These are taken from a villi or absorbs the villi in small intestine. That villi absorbs the vitamins and nutrients. It want to send throughout the body. How? By the blood vessels, it sends nutrition, vitamins or oxygen. By this ways, the villi helps to send the vitamins to our body. This is all about the nutrition in human beings. Friends, this is all about the nutrition and in human beings, how the organisms obtain a food. I think you learned this properly. Thank you for watching this video. In next video, we will learn about the respiration.